Stop, stop, stop. And it goes like this. Stop, stop.
SB19's Borrow from Other Member and Stop, Stop, Stop movie on day 2 of US Fan Meet. SB19 really made their fan meet fun and memorable, especially with these segments.
Borrow anything from one another, what would it be and why? Answer first.
How the time exported ka na?
Ken!
You go first.
Ken!
Isa-isa.
Just borrow one thing from another.
Ken, are you there?
Sa akin, anong hiramin mo?
Isa-isa na.
Isa, yeah. One from other.
I think, parang hirap. It's a soft one.
Just one.
Money!
Money from you.
See? Alright.
Okay.
And Pablo, I think I'm gonna borrow
Motor!
digital instruments from Pablo. And style.
Puso niya!
I think games, because I still play a lot of games also. And Josh, I think I'm gonna borrow. No way. Bastos.
Pwede rin wala.
Siguro yung pampalambot ng buhok. Buhok ng buhok. Kasi yung maano din yung buhok. T-shirt. Yeah.
Alright.
Damage for damage hair. Ako naman,
Okay.
si Justin. Gusto kong i-borrow ang kanyang cellphone for a day. Titignan ko lang ang kanyang sikreto. Hindi, just kidding. Yung turtle niya. Turtle.
Ay, yung turtle.
Wala ka bang turtle? Ha?
I have two.
Di ba? So I'm gonna borrow one of the turtles. I wanna experience mag-alaga ulit. Kasi meron ako dating turtle.
Gusto mo yung pagong ko?
Ha?
Nakot!
Oo, gusto ko yung pagong mo.
No!
Kasi ganun. Ano yun? Ganun yung pagong mo?
Yeah.
Yung ulo, gumaganon?
Alright. Okay, Pablo.
Si Pao, kapugian daw. Yes. Si Stel, gusto ko i-borrow sa kanya yung yung massage chair niya. Massage chair niya. Meron siyang massage chair sa bahay.
Thank you po sa nagregalo. Thank you po.
Tapos kay Ken, gusto ko i-borrow siguro yung ayun, tama, yung Supra.
Yes!
Bibenta natin.
Yes!
Bibenta natin, di ba?
Hiram lang po eh.
Hindi, syempre pag inahiram mo, bibenta mo na.
Ako siguro, kay Ken, hiramin ko yung dresser niya for a day. Para lang ma-experience ko yung dresser. Kasi wala akong ganun. Pero yun, parang exciting siya matry yung dresser. Kay Pablo, siguro, manghiram ako ng one book na pinaka-favorite niya para at least magkaroon lang ako ng idea ano yung feeling magbasa.
Sabi nila face mist daw.
Ha? Guys, sorry, I can buy a new one. I don't need to borrow from him. I can just buy a new one, guys.
Yes!
Kaya lang kami nagtatrabaho para may pambili kami.
Yes!
Ayan, hiram ako sa kanya ng book. Yung pinaka-favorite niya para matry ko lang yung feeling ng binabasa niya.
Teka. Tapos na ba yung binigay kong libro sa'yo?
Oh, yung basta yung yung for company. Yung nasa table ko. Yes. And then kay Josh, siguro hiramin ko. Ano pwedeng hiramin sa'yo? Hiramin ko na siguro si Tita,
Ito, Alvin.
Si Tita na lang. Si Step into my world. Para pag hiniram ko yung mama mo, kasama yung spices niya.
Yes.
Yun na lang. Kay Justin, hiramin ko yung mga paintings niya and yung mga blank canvas niya.
Yeah.
Magtatry ako mag-paint, tapos pag sinoli ko sa kanya, tanggapin niya na lang kung ano yung pinaint ko.
Tama, tama.
Ano ba? Oh, sige.
Hindi ba?
From Ken, I'd like to borrow his tattoos. Para cool din si Pablo. Gusto ko rin kasi magka-tattoo, pero ayoko permanent. So, Kaya lang, sasoli ko lang.
Pero likat ka namin mamaya.
Sige.
Barbie, gusto mo? No regrets.
No regrets.
Tapos kay Josh, sabi niya kasi last interview, his best accessory daw is his confidence. So, I'm gonna borrow his confidence.
Wow!
From Stel, I will
Ay,
borrow
makahit.
his biceps kasi it's so big.
Kaya mo rin yan eh.
Ba't di yung sa akin?
No, cannot be found.
Ganun, di ba?
Kay Justin naman, siguro yung cats niya, para mas dumami yung cats. Para mag-away-away sila sa bahay.
Oh, my turn. Okay, kay Pablo, I'll borrow Tita Grace.
Wow.
Because Tita Grace is a good cook.
Oo, bakit?
I want to eat a lot of delicious food.
Ito pinag-aaway pa yung mga nanay.
Parang may mga sasabihin.
Gusto mo pa ako magsabunutan si Tita Gemma? Para ba?
For Stel, I'll borrow his cats as well.
Oh.
Playmates with my cats.
Yes.
For Josh, I'll borrow his problems. So he can be free from his problems.
Oh.
Such a good friend.
Oh.
Pero ang problema niya yung sarili niya eh.
Yun lang. For Ken, I'll borrow his most expensive clothing.
What's your most expensive clothing?
The Chrome Hearts bag, I think.
Mounting too!
What?
Nasawa yung bata. Nasawa yung bata.
We're gonna borrow from.
Thank you so much, boys. Here is your set for everybody. I will do it one by one. All right? For Stel, kung gagawa kayo ng movie na kayo ang actors, if you will create a movie, what would be the title?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If we're going to make a movie, I believe the title would be Stop, Stop, Stop. And it goes like this. Stop, stop, stop!
Thank you, Stel. The movie title is Stop, Stop, Stop.
Yes.
Now, Justin, what is the conflict of the story?
The conflict of the story is that time will always stop whenever you do something good. And it will only move on after 5 minutes.
Thank you, Justin. Josh, here is your question. Sino ang bida at ano ang special characteristic niya?
Special characteristic? Meron ba nun? Ikaw ba nagawa eh?
Ako yung bida. Kwento ko yun eh. So ako yung bida. Ito mo yung reference.
Ano special character?
Blue eyes siya.
Ayun, blue eye siya.
Thank you. And Ken, sino naman ang kontrabida? Who is the villain and what is the special characteristic?
I think Stel will be a great villain for as well. Kasi sa lahat ng mga ano kasi ni Josh, lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Josh, is that talaga yung bumabara sa kanya kasi wala talagang masabi si Josh. So I think Stella is a great villain. Tsaka I think magkakaroon si Josh ng character development or like growth kung paano niya i-hone yung kanyang powers or like specialty. So yeah.
Beautiful answer, Ken. And Pablo, what is the ending of Stop!
So, the villain pulls up, wreaking havoc. Sino yung villain? System. Mag-wreak havoc ka. What? I mean, wreck the city.
Ano ba yan?
Pero may thunderstorm yung havoc ko. Tapos, darating si Josh. Sabay sila magta-thirst trap.
Ano ba yan?
Kanina! Ayun ang ending eh. Sige ko. Galingan niyo muna.
Tapos sasali si Pablo, magto-thirst trap din siya.
Papasok ako. Sasabihin ko, stop!
That's the ending of the story.
What a great story.
Very inspiring. Kayo talaga. Very inspiring.